We're filming. Phil's got one on. He's got a fighter. There it is. Okay, there you go. And you did a perfect job of lip landing that one. Awesome. Yeah, it wasn't a total.
That's a beauty, yeah.
That is a nice fish. Beautiful. That is just too cool. Whoa!
There he goes.
There he goes back in. There he goes. Okay, Phil's been on him. Some really, really windy days. You can tell by the water here. Lots of little choppy chops in it. And we're fighting hard to fish. Okay, Phil, we're going to shut it down and I'll get the camera back to you.